once again welcome back in our new video. In this video, we will discuss an important topic, and I'm sure this topic will be important for everyone. So, guys, today's topic is sharing of GST data to banks. So, guys, let me explain this topic. Guys, as we know that the government had no right to share financial condition or information of a taxpayer to other financial institution. But recently, the government issued a notification, and through that notification, the government can share GST data on public tech platform for frictionless credit. In this video, we will discuss how this notification can facilitate advantage to a taxpayer. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video now.
Hello viewers and students of AITCS. In today's video session, we shall discuss one notification which has recently been issued by the central government regarding sharing of GST information, GST data of taxpayers to the financial institutions for the frictionless credit which should be given to the GST registered persons. So the notification which has been issued by the central government is notification number 6 of the year 2024 City Central Tax. This notification has been issued on 22nd of February 2024. Students, through this notification, the government has taken power under section 138A of CGST Act 2017. Under section 138 of CGST Act 2017, the government is empowered to share the financial data of the taxpayers which the taxpayers upload on the GST common portal. As we know that the taxpayer is required to file GST returns such as monthly, quarterly, annually to the GST common portal, and the data remains in the depository of the GST common portal. It is the well settled principle of law that government is not empowered to share any financial data of a taxpayers to any third party. But through this section, that is section 138A of CGST Act 2017, as well as respective state government GST Act 2017, the government is empowered to share the financial data to the financial institutions on a website that is called Public Tech Platform. This Public Tech Platform has been created by the Reserve Bank of India in order to facilitate the appraisal of the documents by the lending financial institutions. We know that whenever any borrower approaches to the financial institution, be it bank or any financial institution for the loan purpose, then the borrower has to submit among other documents his financial data such as balance sheet, profit and loss account, GST returns, etc. in physical form. But from today onwards, that is from the issue of this notification and onward, an attempt has been taken by the government where the government shall share the financial data such as GST returns, annual, monthly, quarterly, whatever has been uploaded by the GST taxpayers to the financial institutions, but with the permission of the taxpayer. In this notification, it is clearly mentioned that the data will be shared after getting assent, after getting permission from the GST taxpayers to the financial institutions. So it is the one important questions to be answered here. What shall be the advantage of this mechanism? One of the most advantage in this mechanism, that is the sharing of the GST data on the public tech platform by the GST department, is that the financial institutions shall view the particular data after getting the GST number of the particular borrower or after getting the login ID of the particular borrower. The borrower shall not be able to conceal the data from the financial institutions. For example, whenever any financial institution is approached for loan, the borrower may submit contradictory or different figures to the financial institution and GST department. If we take a simple example, suppose that a private limited has approached to a certain financial institution for the loan and he submitted 1 crore turnover figure to the bank, whereas there is only rupees 50 lakh turnover which has been submitted to the GST department. This type of duplicacy shall not be permitted, shall not be allowed when the sharing of data to the public tech platform will be enabled. So in order to clarify it in a simple word, through this notification from the date 22nd of February 2024, the GST department is empowered to share the financial data, that is the GST returns, balance sheet, profit and loss account, whatever is uploaded to the GST common portal, to the financial institutions through the public tech platform for the frictionless credit. This platform is designed by the RBI and it will help the financial institution to gather the GST related data without any hassle. So students, hope that you have understood the topic and you have understood this notification. If anyone has any query or any suggestion, please write in the description box. Further, if anyone wants to take GST income tax TDS e-filing training with us, please write for the prospectus at the WhatsApp number given in the description box. Thanks for watching.